Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. It's finally starting to get hot out, and while you might think that our lovely winters are the most abrasive part of the year on your vehicle, when it gets hot, that can also present its own set of issues that might start to show themselves. So as it starts to get hot outside, if your air conditioning system is in anything other than perfectly functioning condition, then that can really start to show itself. And other things, like if your fluid levels are starting to get down, if there's any leaks, they can evaporate more quickly given that the air is hotter. And your tires, if you're going on any road trips, they can wear a little bit quicker given that it is hot outside. There's a number of other things that can start to show themselves. So if your car is showing any symptoms of any issues, it's better to get them dealt with sooner than later. Or if you just want to make sure your car is in good shape and good to go for that upcoming summer road trip, just shoot us a call or stop by today and schedule an appointment with our service department.